Have you ever looked at your crypto holdings and thought, there has to be a way to make these assets work harder for me, even when I'm just holding them? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. We're about to dive deep into the world of staking, specifically focusing on the powerful strategies you can employ using Newton Earn. This isn't just about passively holding, it's about actively participating in the growth and security of blockchain networks while earning rewards. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of strategies, let's establish a foundational understanding of what staking is and why Newton Earn is becoming a go-to platform for many crypto enthusiasts. At its core, staking is the act of locking up your cryptocurrency holdings to support the operations of a blockchain network. Think of it like putting your money in a high-interest savings account, but instead of lending your funds to a bank, you're lending your crypto to a blockchain. This process is integral to proof-of-stake (POS) blockchains, which rely on stackers to validate transactions and secure the network. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards, typically in the form of more of the cryptocurrency you're staking. Now, why Newton Earn? Newton is a prominent Canadian cryptocurrency platform that has made staking accessible and user-friendly. They simplify what can often be a complex process, offering a clear interface and competitive rates for staking popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana directly through their platform. Beyond just staking, Newton provides a comprehensive crypto ecosystem with features like competitive trading fees, a wide selection of assets, and robust security measures, including an 80/20 cold storage model and continuous security testing. This all contributes to a platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders looking to maximize their crypto holdings. The $NEWT token, which powers the Newton protocol economy, plays a crucial role here. It's not just a utility token, it's central to securing the network through staking rewards for validators, serving as the native gas token, enabling automated services, and providing governance rights to token stackers. The Magic Newton Foundation, which oversees the protocol, emphasizes transparency in its token distribution and a commitment to community initiatives. With a total supply fixed at 1 billion tokens and no inflationary mechanisms post-launch, $NEWT's tokenomics are designed for long-term sustainability and value. So, with that context in place, how can you strategically leverage Newton Earn to optimize your staking returns? Let's explore several key strategies, ranging from foundational approaches to more advanced techniques. Strategy 1. The set-it-and-forget-it approach, long-term hodling with staking. This is perhaps the simplest yet most effective strategy for many, especially those new to staking or who believe strongly in the long-term potential of their chosen assets. The idea here is to identify a cryptocurrency offered on Newton Earn that you're bullish on for the long haul, stake it, and then simply let the rewards accumulate. How it works: choose a stable asset with a consistent staking yield on Newton Earn, such as Ethereum, ETH, or Solana, SOL, if available for staking on the platform. Allocate a portion of your portfolio that you're comfortable locking up for an extended period. Enable staking directly within the Newton Earn interface. Benefits: this strategy minimizes the need for active management. You avoid the stress of day trading and are less susceptible to short-term market fluctuations. Your staked assets are continuously generating passive income, compounding your returns over time. It aligns perfectly with a hodling mentality, allowing your assets to grow both from potential price appreciation and staking rewards. Considerations: while low effort, this strategy still requires initial research into the chosen cryptocurrency's fundamentals, its staking yield history, and any potential lockup periods or unbonding times. Ensure you understand the risks associated with price volatility of the underlying asset. If the asset's value drops significantly, your staking rewards might not fully offset the capital depreciation. Strategy 2. Diversified staking portfolio. Just as you wouldn't put all your traditional investments into a single stock, diversifying your staking portfolio across different cryptocurrencies offered on Newton Earn can mitigate risk and potentially maximize overall returns. How it works: instead of staking only one asset, select a few different cryptocurrencies with varying risk profiles and staking yields. For example, you might allocate a larger percentage to a more established asset like Ethereum and smaller percentages to newer, higher-yield tokens that Newton Earn supports. Benefits: diversification helps cushion the blow if one asset underperforms or experiences a significant price drop. Different assets might also have different reward cycles or unbonding periods, offering more flexibility in accessing your funds if needed. It allows you to participate in the growth of multiple ecosystems. Considerations: this strategy requires more active monitoring of each asset's performance and staking metrics. You'll need to understand the nuances of each blockchain staking mechanism and any specific risks associated with individual tokens. Strategy 3: Reinvesting rewards, compounding. The power of compounding is undeniable, and it applies just as much to crypto staking. Reinvesting your staking rewards can significantly accelerate the growth of your portfolio. How it works: as you receive staking rewards on Newton Earn, instead of withdrawing them, immediately restake them. This increases your principal staking amount, meaning your next reward payout will be even larger. Repeat this process consistently. Benefits: this is a powerful long-term growth strategy. By continually adding to your staked principal, you leverage the compounding effect, leading to exponential growth over time. It's a way to magnify your passive income without injecting new capital. Considerations: depending on the asset and platform, there might be minimum staking amounts for reinvesting or small transaction fees involved in the risk-taking process. Be aware of any unbonding periods, as frequent reinvestment might tie up your funds for longer if you need liquidity. Strategy 4: Short-term staking for liquidity management, if applicable. While many staking opportunities involve lockup periods, some platforms, including potentially Newton Earn depending on the asset, might offer more flexible staking options with shorter or no lockup periods. This allows for a more dynamic approach to liquidity. How it works: if Newton Earn supports assets with flexible staking, e.g., immediate unbonding or very short unbonding periods, you can stake assets for short durations when you don't immediately need them, earning rewards, and then unstake them quickly if a trading opportunity arises or you need to access your funds. Benefits: maximizes the utility of your idle assets by generating passive income even for brief periods. Provides greater liquidity compared to long-term locked staking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.